Hello dear audience. Today I'm gonna cover about that which does hang your mind and programmer also confused to solve that puzzles, and that is called brain fuck. No. Say with me, brain fuck.
Congratulations. I love you.
Oh Shabji, what are you saying? Yes bro, I'm saying absolutely right. Because brain fuck a minimal and hardly programming language designed to make your brain hurts, and it's during complete but not designed to build actual software for development. It's moved like a work of art that challenged the status. It was actually created in 1993 by Swiss physics students Urban Mikulers, where the goal was to create a language with the smallest possible compiler. It was built for the Omega 2.0 operating systems, and the compiler works in at under 200 bytes. The brain programs starts with a 30,000 bytes one-dimensional array. All values are initialized to 0. Then it provides a movable pointer that you can manipulate with 8 different commands, and use angle brackets to move that pointer left or right by one cell at a time, then increase or document the value in a cell using plus or minus, and use a real periods to output the byte at the pointer's current locations, or use a comma to accept input and store it the pointers and current locations, and also fully and finally use opening and closing brackets to create a loop. Notice now, brain fuck doesn't require silly things like variable functions and also classes to get started with. The brain fuck deleted your operating system and install Omega operating systems, and then create a file ending in brain fuck, which stands for brain fuck many and characters that are not the 8, and I'm really mentioned previously, and ignore as a like my XGF commands. At this point, we have an array with 30,008 bits number all set of 0 to say hi dear. We will need to set its numbers to its corresponding ASCII characters. We can increment the first cell, then enter a loop with an opening brackets for its iterations of the loop. Will decrement that current cell by 5, then use an angle bracket to move one cell to the right. We will increment that cell by 3, then move back to the left and close the loop, and loop will continue until the original cell goes back to 0, and at point it will exit. We now have a value of 103 at index 1. We can move the pointer to it, increment it to 104, then use a period to output it that correspond to the letter H, and ASCII we can increment it again to get 105, which corresponds to the letter. I know we have continued this process of manipulating memory like Cabman until we output all the characters, and then that we need now to run your sexy code. Rajaji, don't forget to me while you will go to run sexy code. Otherwise, I'm going to say to your GF. Hey bro, no. Don't think wrong. I said that we need how to run your code. Hey, don't make me violence. Violence. I don't like it. I avoid. But violence likes me. I can't avoid. Oh, sorry, brother. Then I'm going to from here right now. Keep it up, bro, keep it up. So, dear audience, dear my lovely audience, sorry for disturbing and I was saying that we need how to run your code, use right click, copy and paste it into one of the many online interpreters. So many congratulations. You just say hi to your ex and this has been brain fuck in 120 seconds and with that we have reached the end on the video. And if you want to see more brainfuck related contents on this channel, make sure to hit like and don't forget to subscribe our channel. And bye bye, see you later in next video. Bye.